What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Today I'm coming at y'all with a brand new fitted hat unboxing. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back with the fitted hat. So I have about 6 fitted hats we gonna get into today. It's a lot of heat on deck today, if I say so myself. I have a lot of heat to show y'all. We got some hat club, we got a lot of good shit. I'm not gonna reveal too much, but first, before we start cracking open boxes, give the video a big thumbs up. Helps the channel grow, helps the videos get in the algorithm, and I really do appreciate it. So make sure y'all give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoy the content, and make sure y'all check out the other content on the channel as well. Sneakers, streetwear, everything in between, like I said. And I do have a hat unboxings and review playlist on the channel, so if you want to see more hat content specifically, make sure y'all go tap in with that. So the first hats I want to get into are the New Era Fear of God fitted hats that I picked up. Now at a certain point I started to think that it just wasn't meant for me to have these hats, because I kept ordering them and shit just kept going left. The first time I ordered them, I ordered just the orange because that was the one that wasn't sold out that I wanted. I picked up 2 of them. I wanted orange and another color, y'all will see it in a minute, but they sent me the orange and it was crushed. Like, they sent it in this big sneaker box basically, and it was crushed. I ordered it from Concepts. I'll go ahead and show y'all the TikTok that I made right over here so y'all can see the condition of that box and the condition of the fitted hat once I took it out. It was basically flat. Like, there wasn't no fixing that. I don't care. I know some people like to fix their hats when they come all messed up, twisted and shit. That's not for me. I sent it right back to them and I got my money back. So I went ahead and I ordered it from MLB Shop, and I was able to get both of the colors that I want that time around, but they only sent 1. So y'all see what I mean? I just felt like it wasn't meant for me to have these hats for some reason. It just took forever for me to secure both of them. So here goes the orange one. Mind you, I ordered 2 from MLB Shop at the same time, and they only shipped out the orange one for whatever reason. So here it goes. It's like a really nice bright orange, the off-white button on top, off-white Fear of God logo. I know people have mixed opinions about the New Era Fear of God joints, and we'll get into that. I want to get into that, but take a look at the hat at first. No side patch, of course. Here goes the Batterman. It's a flat Batterman. The sweatband is like an off-white color. It's kind of like an aged vintage look going on. Gray UV, very, very nice hat. And this is wool, actually. I'm gonna double check just in case I'm wrong. But yeah, it's 100% wool. And this is made in China. For those of y'all that care, you know, made in Bangladesh, made in China. Some of y'all care. So there it goes. I like the Fear of God hats. I have nothing bad to say about them. I know some people don't feel like they're real fitted caps, or they're overhyped, or real fitted hat collectors don't buy these, whatever the case may be. I've heard mixed opinions, but honestly, these have a place in my collection, just like a Yankees hat, just like a Dodgers hat. I'm gonna wear these the same way I rock those. Yes, it is more of a fashion hat versus like a sports hat, but it is what it is. I mean, fitted caps are really on the rise right now, so you have to expect it. So that's the orange one, size 7 1/8, of course, because it's for the personal, and I had to hit them up to have them send out the second hat, so I had to wait like another month to get this hat. But it is what it is. I have it now. Hopefully it's the right one. If it's the wrong one, y'all, I think I might just give up. I might just give up. It's the right one. You got it. So it's the orange joint. Y'all know I love my colors, so I had to go ahead and pick these up. I wish I would have copped the royal blue. Probably still will, because I believe it's still in stock. Don't go paying any crazy prices for these, y'all. They are still in stock on a lot of websites. So this one is a nice green color. It's not a forest green, it's like a Kelly green. There it goes. Same. No, actually it's not the same. The Fear of God logo on this one, I almost said off-white. Y'all heard that? So the Fear of God logo on this one is white. The button is white versus the cream one. So cream, bright white. It's really nice gray UV still. These lights is messing with my eyes. I believe this is that same vintage color sweatband. It looks like it. It's not solid white, I can see that for sure. And then you also have the branding in there. I didn't show y'all that before. So let me, Essentials fear of God. But also, let me know down below in the comment section, do you think these hats are overpriced? Because that I can agree with. You know, let people buy what they like. If you don't like them, so be it, whatever. But I will say that the hats are overpriced. There you go. There's the branding on the inside. Batterman. It's flat Batterman. Made in China, 100% wool, just like the other one. Really nice hats, y'all. Nice hats. Don't sleep just because of something that you heard somebody say. Buy what you like. Almost forgot to show y'all the New Era branding, because these are New Era Fear of God collaborations. So you do have New Era branding, but it's script instead of the flag, which I think is nice. They elevated it a little bit. It's tonal on this one. Tonal on this joint as well. I'll let it focus a little bit. Really, really nice. Can't wait to wear these. This next hat I was really excited for, and it was a pre-order, so you know when it's a pre-order you gotta wait. You're a little bit more appreciative of when it finally hits the doorstep. If y'all have been pre-ordering hats, then y'all know the feeling that I mean. When the pre-order finally hits the doorstep, it's like, yes, you've been waiting a good 3 to 5 months for that hat. So here it is, the ATLiens Outcast inspired hat. I ordered this through Blue Brims, but I believe Leon and What the Braille designed it. Very, very good looking hat. So when I ordered this hat, it was the Braves logo with the tomahawk. For whatever reason, once they got the hats, they sent out an email saying that the design had changed, and we could either, you know, continue with the process getting your hat, we'll ship them out, or you can decide to get a refund. I had waited so long and I really didn't mind it too much, so I decided to still get my hat. Now, would I want the ones with the tomahawk? Definitely. I think that design is fire. That design goes crazy. That front logo with those colors is crazy. But you know, the Braves script A has grown on me. I like it. This is gonna be one of those hats. Someone asked me before, how do you know a hat is gonna look good in hand versus online? This is one of those hats where you just gotta trust the process. Cause flat, you know, maybe it's not too impressive, but once I curve this and I throw it on, this is gonna be a banger. So the Braves script A, it's like a bright green, orange outline, really nice. Orange button on top. There goes the side patch on that one. At least the side patch does have the tomahawk in there. It's also a really good size patch. Like, you got a lot of detail in there. Great use of color. There goes the Batterman. It's a flat Batterman. Tonal New Era logo. This is a New Era hat. It is a New Era hat. So you got the Tonal New Era right there. And that Apple Jacks color UV. It's not the same color as the A on the front, but yeah, it's like an Apple Jacks color UV. Black sweatband, size 7 1/8 of course, but I'm trying to see if it is a made in Bangladesh. So for those of y'all that care, made in Bangladesh. Really happy to have this one in hand. I can't wait to curve it and wear it, because I'm sure it's gonna look 10 times better after it's curved and the stickers are off and stuff like that. Y'all know what it is. I know when you're ordering things from a person or a group of people even versus a company, you know, a lot of questions can come up. You kind of be a little iffy. So I definitely wanted to come on here and let y'all know, very smooth process for ordering this hat. There was the design change, but they did give people the option. You wanted the new design or do you want a refund? And I appreciate having that choice offered to me. I ordered this hat in late June. It arrived like 2 weeks ago, so that's very much within the range that I was expecting the hat, you know, that 3 to 5 months for a pre-order. So the hat's arrived on time. I will say one thing that I was kind of concerned with is I didn't get a tracking number. After they said, oh, the hats are going out, I never got my tracking number, so I had to hit them up and be like, hey, can I get a tracking number for my order? And they sent it, and they said that the hat was delivered yesterday. So the thing about not getting a tracking number is the hat could just be sitting there. If I'm not looking for it, the hat could just be sitting there, you know? Somebody could take it, whoop-de-whoop-de-woo, so on and so forth. So I really like having a tracking number sent to me when I order something, but that was about it. And that's just my honest opinion. I don't know them, they don't know me. I just ordered the hat because I like the hat. Let's go ahead and move on to the next one, which is also a pre-order. So this next pre-order, I'm sure a lot of y'all have been waiting on just like me, and that's the Hat Club Sandstorm. It's finally here. Y'all already know I had to pick up the Yankees. When I did my Sandstorm video, I asked at the end, what hat do you think I'm gonna buy? Of course it was the Yankees. That collection was filled with great hats, don't get me wrong. Like when I did the video, basically all the hats got a 3 and up. I ranked them 1 to 5. All of the hats was around like a 3 to 5. But the Yankees was the only choice for me. Very nice khaki color with the pink Yankees logo on the front. 99 side patch, and the colors are absolutely crazy inside of there. Great color coordination as usual. 99 World Series. Love that side patch. The Batterman has a little bit of that teal blue in there. Some pink and some white. It's a flat Batterman for those of y'all that care. The button on top. Tonal New Era flag with the white sweatband and the pink UV. Very, very nice hat. The Sandstorm collection is dope. It's a very dope collection. So I ordered this hat end of April. That's when the pre-orders was open. Everybody got their orders in within that like week or couple days that it was open. At the end of April, the estimated delivery was August. But the way that things been moving, New Era pre-orders, I already knew that this hat was not gonna show up probably in August. I was expecting to see it, you know, September, October, and here we are in September. So it was a little bit late, but I appreciate Hat Club for all of the updates. They definitely sent out updates routinely, letting you know where your hat is, what stage it's in, and I appreciated that, so they're just not just up in the air, you don't know where your stuff is. I appreciate a good pre-order because it means the hats are more accessible. Everybody has an opportunity to get the hat that they want, the team that they want. So this is a pre-order done correctly. This one is also a pre-order done correctly. I've pre-ordered hats that we'll talk about in the future where not so happy with the process, but we'll talk about that when those hats finally do arrive. Let me know down below in the comment section if you watched this far into the video. I want to know what you think Hat Club's next pre-order should be. I say it's the taxis, and I don't care what y'all got to say. Oh, then everybody's gonna have a taxi. I don't care. I want a taxi. So I want that to be the next pre-order because I want a taxi. But down below, let me know what y'all think. What should be Hat Club's next pre-order? And also, do you prefer pre-order or first come, first serve? Because hats are selling out like crazy. Almost forgot to show y'all the pin that came with this one. I didn't even know that there was a pin included. If they mentioned that, I definitely missed it. But it's this hard enamel pin, the gold accents. It's basically like a Sandstorm graphic. It says Hat Club at the bottom. You got the pinks, the purples, the blues, all of the colors that are included on the hat. Really nice pin. And it's a good size pin as well. Okay, so I did break one of my own rules recently and I paid resale for a hat. Now I didn't pay anything crazy. I didn't pay nothing crazy. It was actually a pretty reasonable price and that's why I went ahead and bought it. But I really needed this hat. So it is from Hat Club, as y'all can see. It came in this little silk bag. It's from the Ivory collection. Y'all already know I had to get the Dodgers. I really wanted this hat, like real bad. Very nice off-white color for the base. Kind of has like an aged look to it. Really nice. Then you got the Dodgers logo on the front. Royal blue with the red outline. This is a plain Jane, no side patch, but I have enough side patches in my collection, so that really doesn't bother me. There goes the Batterman. It's a raised Batterman for those of y'all that care. Gray UV, keeping it classic, keeping it clean. White sweatband. Now I did notice when I opened up the hat, when I took it out of the bag, it has like these orange, kind of like, I don't want to call it dirt, but it looks like maybe he had another hat on top of this hat when he was storing them before he shipped them out, and that hat maybe rubbed off on this one. So I don't know if y'all are gonna be able to see it, but like there's this orange kind of couple of spots on here, but that'll be an easy clean. I got the crown wipes. I'll clean that right off. No big deal. But there it is. Dodgers from the Ivory collection. Really nice. Might end up making my top 10 this year. I don't know. There's still a lot of hats to look at. A lot of hats I've been picking up, so I don't know, but this is definitely a really nice one. So here's the last hat I'm going to be showing y'all today, and once we are done with this one, of course I am going to show y'all the enamel pins that I've been picking up, so make sure you stick around for that. Let's go ahead and open this one up. There we go. Alright, so off rip, great packaging, great packaging. Got the receipt in the bag. I don't remember how much I paid for this hat, but I'm gonna say it was around 65-ish, something like that. So this is actually not a New Era hat. Don't click off the video. It's not a New Era hat, but it's still some heat. Just hang with me so y'all can see. The bag says Haven Court Workshop. That's the name of the brand. This is a really good quality like bag. This is sturdy. And here goes the hat. It's this navy blue Yankees cap. It's really nice. I love that shooting star inside the front logo. That's one of my favorite emojis. I don't know if he got this from the emoji, but I use that emoji all the time. So once I saw this, I was like, yeah, I gotta scoop that. No side patches or anything like that. No logos. But it does have a sticker. Nice touch with the sticker. Haven Court stickers. Private stock goods. Very nice. Really good quality on the hat. Gray UV. The off-white kind of vintage looking sweatband. Now this is a size 7. Y'all know I'm a size 7 1/8. The 7 1/8 was out of stock, so I went ahead and I got a size 7. Y'all know what that means. That means you can be expecting a hat stretching video to drop really soon. I love seeing people get creative with the fitted hats. We have so many companies, boutiques, so on and so forth, throwing a hat in the ring to make fitted caps, and seeing people just get creative on it, really dope. He has done other teams. I saw one for the A's, and on the inside, I didn't talk about this before, but it says Haven Court. Let me kind of give y'all a better look at that, but it says Haven Court inside there. You got the custom tags on the inside. Really just thinking about everything, having all your bases covered. Very good quality and good feeling hat. It did come with a pin included. I didn't even see that when I ordered the hat. Let me open this up for y'all. So it's like a silver and white pin. The Haven Court logo, the H with the stars. So there it goes one more time. All of the hats that I picked up recently. Definitely some heat. If you enjoyed today's video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I'll check y'all out in the next one.